the station that's on your side. This is Channel 7 News Daybreak.
Well, there are a lot of myths when it comes to health, since winter is considered the time of the year when people are most likely to get sick. Another myth, by the way. Most health myths are related to the season. Let's hit on some of those popular myths this morning with Baptist Health Dr. Devon Ballard from Sherwood Family Medical Center. Thanks for coming in, Dr.
Cool.
Ballard. Appreciate
Yep,
it.
you bet.
Let's start with the first one. Cold air makes you sick.
That's a myth.
It is.
Other people make you sick.
Not cold air.
No, cold air has nothing to do with it. There is something called herding. So think about if you have 500 kids, and let's say 3 of them are sick, and it's summertime. All the kids are spread around and not around each other.
Yeah.
If it's 26 degrees outside, where are all the kids?
Inside.
They're enclosed together, and so they're in a closed space, so more likely to get exposed from a cold air standpoint, just from a herding standpoint, but cold air does not make you sick.
All right. Exercising in the cold. They say don't do it.
Oh, exercise cold is actually burns more calories.
Really?
And actually, most people that are runners, their times will be faster in the colder weather versus warmer weather.
I've heard they like that. I don't run, so I don't know why.
Yeah, if you're going to do a marathon, you want it to be 45 to 55 degrees. You don't want it to be 75 to 80.
Really?
Yeah, because you really can get overheated, and you need to layer if you're going to be in the cold. So you can lose a lot of heat from your head, so always wear a hat. And then hands, make sure you wear gloves and try to avoid running in the if it's raining.
Yeah, exactly, if you can. All right, allergies, do they go away in the winter?
Not at all. Allergies can be just as bad in the winter than the summer and the spring. This is more the mold time of the year.
Okay.
And a lot of dust mites. People are inside more, so and a lot of people are around animals more in the wintertime because they're inside. Get more exposure to the cats and the dog hair and the dander and all of that exposure. But yeah, allergies can be just as bad in the winter and then versus the spring.
Here's an interesting one. Vitamin C prevents colds.
It's a myth. Vitamin C can help prevent the longevity of a cold, does not prevent the cold. So
Okay.
It's good to be on board anyway for your kids, like Flintstones vitamin C or
Sure,
something like
yeah.
that, but it does not prevent colds.
Okay, so what prevents colds?
Staying away from other people that are sick. So washing your hands.
Something
And
like that simple, right?
So if
Just
people
wash your hands?
cough, you hear they'll cough in their hand, cough into your corner right
Okay.
here, wash your
jacket.
hands or your jacket or inside here in your shirt to help keep it from getting around other people.
Okay, important to remember. Hey, feed a fever, starve a cold. I've heard that's one of those old tales.
That's old tale. Just in essence, if you get a cold and you get fever, you just hydrate well. You want to get some proper nutrition, but hydrate well. So hydration is really the most important. So you hear about kids when they're younger, give them Pedialyte, right? Give them some hydration plus a little calorie intake. So you actually burn a lot of calories when you're sick. So you need to get the food in, but hydration is very important.
Pedialyte, important to have around the house for kids and adults, by the way.
Correct.
Great to see you, Dr.
All right.
Ballard. Thanks so much for coming, especially for the New Year's coming up. Baptist-health.com, 1-888-BAPTIST is the number to call.